Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a candle stand in Autodesk Inventor Sheetmetal and learn the Autodesk Inventor Sheetmetal commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to Create. Here take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane. So this will be the front view. Take the line command and here we will start. Make one straight line. Make one profile like this, a straight line. This will be also a straight line. One profile like this till this end. Enter. Now here we'll start one line here and make one line here. Now escape. Go to dimension. Here give the total dimension as 90 mm. The distance between these two lines of 10 mm, and here this distance will be of 4 mm. The total distance here will be of 60. And here go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point and escape. Finish sketch. Here go to counter flange and we will take a flange length of 60 mm. And this will be symmetric, so I'll click here mid plane distance and press OK. Now I want to change the thickness of the sheet, so I'll go to sheet metal defaults. Here you can see the by default thickness of 0.5 mm. Uncheck this and make it 1.5 mm and press OK. So the thickness is changed here. Now I'll unfold the sheet, so I'll click on unfold command. It will ask you the stationary reference, so I'll select this as stationary plane and here I'll click add all bends and press OK. So it will make a straight profile. Now select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Here go to rectangle and take here center point slot and make one slot profile here. Similarly, we'll make one slot profile here, make a straight slot, make one slot here, and here also make one slot. Now these all are of different distance, escape, and different dimensions. So I'll click here equal constraint, select this radius, press Ctrl, select this radius, and here select this radius. Now select this center. Press enter first and escape. Now again take equal constraint and here select this and select this. So they are equal to each other. Similarly, select this center and select this center, select this center and here select this center. Now all the four centers are equal. Now here go to dimension, define this center to center distance as 47.5 mm. Now give this radius here of 3 mm and escape. Now here I think this equal constraint is not been taken properly, so go to equal constraint, select this and select this center line. It is already done. Escape. Now here go to vertical constraint, we'll select this center point and here we'll select this yellow point. This will be the center of this radius. Similarly, here select this yellow point, select this center point. We'll do with others also. Select this green point, center of slot, and this yellow point. Select here the yellow point, the radius center, and the green point. Now here go to horizontal constraint, select this, now select this and select this, select this, select this and this, all are equal. Now escape. Now here I think there is some difference, so go to dimension, so this is of 60, okay, escape. So they are lying on this point, so we need to make it once more. I will delete this, okay, and move it inside, and here go to equal constraint, select this center and select this center. Now it is equal to 47.5. Now you can see all slots are equal. Finish sketch, take here cut, select all slots one by one. You can see the red profile, so it will cut up to thickness of 1.5 mm and press OK. Okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, go to circle command and make a circle here of diameter 30. Go to dimension. From this side, this will be at 30 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select here the center. Sorry, go to horizontal constraint, select this center and select this center. Now finish sketch, take here cut command again and press OK. Okay, so this will be for the candle. Now go to refold, select this face and press here add all bends and press OK. Okay, so this will be back to the same profile. Now here select this face, go to create sketch and here go to slot and take polygon command. We'll take 6 sides and make one polygon profile here. Okay, make one more polygon here and escape. Now here go to dimension. The center from this edge will be at 3 and from here the center will be at 3 mm. Okay, here go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point, so this will be vertically aligned. Now go to dimension, define the width of 3 mm. Now define this also as 3 mm. Go to the horizontal constraint, select this point, select this point. Now go to dimension, define this distance here of 0.2 and escape. Okay, now I'll pattern this profile. Go to rectangular pattern, select these profiles, go to direction 1, select this face and I'll give a distance here of 3.8 and then flip the direction. You can see this profile will be made like this, and here I'll take a count of 14. Okay, so it will remain inside and press OK. Now here go to Sheetmetal or go to 3D model, take extrude, select all the profiles, take here cut and here I'll take all. So this will become a through cut and press OK. Now here go to rectangular pattern. So this rectangular pattern is to pattern a feature. Okay, now select extrude 1, go to direction 1 and select this edge. I'll flip the direction and here I'll take a count of 13 and the center to center distance of 5.2 mm and press OK. So it will generate a pattern here. Okay, you can see this pattern. Go to left view, you can see the pattern profile here. Okay, now go to home. So this will be the final output. I'll give it a chrome polished. You can see a chrome polish finish. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a candle stand in Autodesk Inventor Sheetmetal. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do it like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.